I'm just trying to suppress
We must also be brave enough to reform military doctrine and practice. We do not face a conventional army on the traditional field of battle. No, we contend against mobile, elusive, irregular forces that disdain the normal rule of warfare. We must adjust accordingly to subdue the menace. This shall require a change in mindset, in strategy, in tactics, in equipment, and in gear. But your strategic objective, the democratic tranquility and prosperity of our nation, shall never change. As Commander-in-Chief, I have given myself the following charge: to deploy the entire machinery of state power to ensure security of our people and property in a just and democratic society. Under my predecessor, the armed forces worked tirelessly towards necessary reform to enhance combat effectiveness and operational capability. We must now pick the pace. My government will continue to support the college by giving due priority to the training and welfare of our armed forces. I promise that. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me now return to the graduates we honor today. I leave you with a charge, much like I give to myself. Your nation has invested in you and your training. Much faith has been placed upon your broad soldiers. Our collective safety rests in your hands. We believe in you because we know you possess the sufficiency of character and skill to see us through challenges. Your graduation today is a call to greater duty for the nation.